Okay. Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of the Side Comment episode 2.
Yes,
Finally,
sir.
we've come far from zero. Now we are in 2. Sabi nga nila, anything more than 1 is many. Okay, so here we are again. You're with your host, Zion Ecstatic. And,
Sean from UK.
yan. Ano yan? Ping. Kumbaga may ping, may delay, may
Di pa rin ako
latency.
sanay. Di pa rin ako sanay.
Okay, so for new viewers, again, we are a duo.
All new viewers.
Yeah, if you have new viewers,
No
because
old viewers.
anybody that is beyond 4, it's new. So we are a duo who is childhood friends since, I guess, elementary days.
Since
And
birth.
we are in different parts of the world, different continents, but we have the same hobbies and things and interests. And here we talk about mostly tech, sports,
Yes.
and things like that. And if you are old viewers, shout out to the 4.
For subscribers.
Yeah, 4 subscribers. If
Mainly
you're
one, my wife.
you shout out. If
Mainly one. I'm not sure if my son as well. But yeah,
I guess so.
hopefully.
So that's half already of the
Yes.
population.
All right.
But
Let's go.
actually, more than 50% of our viewers are not subscribed. So, uh, for me, I would hit that subscribe button. Okay,
Yun.
so it's better that you're early. You'll become part of the OGs. Never know how far this would be. But anyway, last episode we talked about some interesting stuff. I think it was around episode 1
Mhm.
that we talk about some sports, and also I think we talk about the gadgets or tech. You remember? You
Yes.
remember what was that one?
Yes.
What is
Which
it?
is the MacBook, the new MacBook Neo as well as the S26
Yeah, that's what we're
Ultra.
going to start off today. We're going to talk about. It's like a follow up of our MacBook
Yeah,
Neo,
actually,
and
tinignan ko yun eh. The question from the last episode was um kung yung privacy screen ba is only for the Ultra or is it for the whole, at least
yes.
for the pros.
Oh,
Which is not. It's I think it's sa Ultra lang. Nakita ko, tinignan ko yung pros pa yung susunod, yung sa baba. So Ultra and then what's the next one?
I have no
S26
idea.
Pro. Anyway, basta yung the one before the Ultra, well, so Ultra lang may privacy screen.
Mm.
Privacy, no, not, yes, privacy screen. Hindi gumagana dun sa ibang models.
So I've heard that you've actually tested them, or you were able to get a
Yeah.
hands-on experience with
Well,
this.
pero ano lang, quick, parang hands-on. Hindi ko masyadong, so pinuntahan ko siya, one of the malls here, John Lewis. Meron na silang, kasi last time na sinabi ko na pupunta ako, marami nakapila o marami tumitingin. So hindi ko na, also, patapos na yung lunch ko nun. So, kailangan ko nang bumalik sa office. But anyway, so nagamit ko lang siya for a quick, siguro probably like a minute or 2 minutes thinking around, thinking, tinkering around it. So, ang pinaka na pansin ko lang is it's much more darker. So, yung usually dun sa yung naka-display, laging naka-full, naka-full brightness. Hindi ako convinced sa full brightness niya. Tapos yung inon mo pa yung, yung privacy.
Privacy.
They call it here privacy.
Okay.
Yeah, privacy. They call it here privacy. I don't know, but
Privy.
well, sa US kasi is privacy. Sa
Hmm.
Philippines is privacy. Here is privacy. There's a lot of things.
That's because that's
Vitamins.
a UK English.
Yes, vitamins. Ano pa bang lagi kong mats? Do you know that they call it here mats with an S? Ano ba yung paracetamol?
I don't know.
Anyway.
No, I know. It just throws me back to our English teacher.
Oh,
Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday.
Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, so yung previous I would still go back to kasi mas sanay pa rin ako sa US kasi yun yung kinalakihan natin in the Philippines. So yung privacy screen nila, pag in-on mo yun is much more deep, mas dimmer. So again, I only use it for 1-2 minutes. So hindi ko talaga masyado na paglaruan, but yeah, wala rin ako kasi pang point of reference ng 25 Ultra. So hindi ko alam kung gaano kalakas yung ano niya, yung brightness. But yung sa ano naman sa Neo, MacBook Neo, I think it's good. The keyboard, the screen is really nice. I'm sure a lot of you guys have already checked the reviews. It's really good. Nakausap ko nga yung boss ko nun eh. Sabi niya, kung may pera lang siya, he would buy it. And he doesn't like Macs. He doesn't like Apple, anything. But this one is kind of intriguing. Sabi ko na ako rin, if I had the money, I'll buy it just to play around with it and see kung ano pwedeng gawin. And I've seen a lot of videos already wherein yung may mga simple hacks sila na pwedeng pabilisin, like 20% increase ng performance just by putting yung parang heat pad. Kasi masyadong umiinit yun eh. Tapos yung parang inilagyan ng Apple, parang napakaliit na film. So hindi talaga siya nag-dissipate ng heat. So just by changing that will greatly increase the performance, at least mga 10-20%, which is really nice. I think it's really good. I think it's a really surprisingly a good device. I would say. Medyo ano lang ako kung bibilin ko parang sayang, parang I really wanted to have parang yung the money that I'll use. I'll probably get. I'm still a Linux guy, so Linux. So I'm still, do I want this over? Pero kung ano lang may extra na talaga, I would buy it kasi parang ang ganda eh. Parang gusto mo lang mag-check ng emails, alam mo yun, what
And it's
what
an
you're
Apple,
doing with your,
diba?
yeah,
And it's a Mac. Diba?
yeah.
Parang I have an idea parang what they're targeting kasi before I told you they're targeting college students, but maybe it's also an entry point for transitioning consumers that they would try this out, diba?
Oh, sabi nga nila na may data, hindi ko na alam kung nasan, but may data sila wherein tumaas yung mga first-time users.
No, see?
Mas tumaas ang ano nila, mas tumaas yung again, nakalimutan ko saan ko nakita yun, pero based dun sa reports na tumaas yung mga first-time users. Kasi nga naman, mura.
Yes. May mga trade-offs pero it's an entry level na dati hindi naman masyadong gumagawa ang Apple ng entry level. Diba? So parang they're trying to capture a niche that would transition consumers to their side. Or parang feed the curiosity, diba?
Oo, tsaka kasi imagine mo kunyari bibili ka ng telepono. Magkano ba telepono ngayon? Like at 500. Kasi dito may student discount dito, so pwedeng you can get it much more cheaper.
Kaya pala parang easy rin sa students, no? Dito wala. Pamasahe lang. Minsan hindi ba ibibigay.
No.
Student po. Tapos galit pa
Anyway, yeah. Siguro I would be able to play around with kung bibili.
Tsaka ano, it's a Mac. Parang
yeah, that's true. It's really optimized when it comes to their software and how they use the Kasi ano na yun eh. Kumbaga, their own chip, their own hardware, everything. So lahat ng software and hardware are all like perfectly.
Ako, I don't
There's really
really, di ba, I've been joking around. Once you go Mac, you, di man you
well,
don't go back, pero you go
I
with the
did use, but
ecosystem, di ba? With the
in,
ecosystem. But
yeah, that's true.
with the Neo, it's enticing for somebody like me that doesn't have any Mac right now. Ay,
Yeah,
Apple. But
but,
it's more affordable than the normal MacBook or Pro and
parang
Air,
may free brand ba?
wherein you can test it already. Diba?
Yeah,
Parang you can fidget with it, fiddle with it, and then,
yeah.
and dun mo lalaman, is it for me to
Mm,
have the better one
yeah,
to
yeah,
cater for my needs, or is it just okay for browsing? And at the same time, hindi mo ma-overcomplicate yung sarili mo na you're committing to something so expensive but you're not really sure yet that it would fit you.
mm-hmm.
But with the
Yeah,
Neo, it's a good entry for the new consumer for Apple that would make you familiarize yourself with the ecosystem or the iOS and how it works, and what are the apps that you can connect it with rather
yeah,
than the normal on the Windows, what's the counterpart of this and that, na hindi ka masyadong mag-overcommit na. That's somehow one of the problems when people are going to switch to Apple, kasi una yung price, at the same
yeah.
time
But
malilito
there's,
pa. So, I think that's a good on them. 'Di ba? Kasi it
yeah,
entices people, kasi what you said earlier sa katrabaho mo, 'di ba? Parang it
mm,
strikes me this na parang, oh, I get that one kasi ganun din yung akin eh. If I have the money for that one to spare, I would try.
oh, actually, sabi nga niya rin na which sinabi ko rin sa kanya na kasi feeling niya since sobrang mura, sabi niya, I think we need, kasi currently most na kinikater are all Dell laptops, Windows, everything Windows kami sa work. Siyempre, yung mga students will eventually mag-ano na,
Mm.
hindi, ang ina-anticipate niya na, I think kailangan na natin mag-ano rin, magkaroon ng like training kung paano mag-troubleshoot ng ano kasi mukhang mga
Oo.
students darating na rin na yun na yung sabi ko, sige, bumili ka na ng ano para may test ano tayo dito.
Pero I'm surprised. Kasi
Pang-test,
actually, I thought saturated na rin ng Mac mga student.
yeah. But
Akala ko ganun. Kasi sa US, 'di ba? It's like Mac is their notebook.
hindi, pero magandang ano yan pero actually dapat yung topic nito sandali lang. Pero kung iisipin mo rin, so ngayon Windows and other manufacturers like, Acer, the likes, Acer, Asus, kung sino man, anything that carries Windows, they would think now na
Oo.
paano nila tatapatan ng
Which is good for the
600.
consumers. 'Di ba?
Oo, pero I don't think they'll use Windows.
Ah!
Kasi the performance at that range ng Windows, imagine,
Ah!
kailangan mo at least 16,
Yeah.
16 gig. Imagine kung mag-ano ka, lalaban sila ng price, tapos same hardware
Hindi
at 8.
optimize, eh, 'no?
Hindi mag-aano yun, mabagal yun, mabagal.
So, parang kasi bloatware ng Windows ngayon, eh.
Unless na lang, oo, dun naalala ko yung yesterday. So, yesterday may bago kaming starter. Yung PC, bagong image lang.
Bagong
Bagong
image
format,
lang.
bagong image. Tapos, so, o sige, na-install ko na lahat. So, gumagana na siya. So, na-setup na basically. Kailangan lang namin i-setup yung email niya. Nag-login lang ako ng morning kasi nandyan na siya para hala, ang tagal. It took us 10 minutes or so. Hindi naman sabi exaggerated. Mga 6 minutes siguro kakain tayo mag-login. Sabi ko, this is we bought you a new computer. I'm not sure why it's really slow. Took us 6 minutes bago lang makasign in. Which, wala pang masyadong apps yun kasi nga bago nga. Anyway.
Nope. No? The irony of Windows. If it's new, you have to disable many things to make it
Kaya
optimize.
nga eh. Actually, kahit na rin ako sa mga pag personal device na gagamitin ko na Windows. I have to run mga, kung kilala niyo si Chris Titus, meron siya pang debloat, tapos tatanggalin lahat ng AI. Alam mo yun, lahat. You need to disable a lot of things para lang.
Dami, no? My PC needs reformatting. Actually, it's overdue na.
Ikaw nga, naka-Windows 10 ka pa.
Yun nga. Kasi, if I reformat my PC, I would go to 11, di ba? And then, kasi
Pwede ka na mag-Linux na.
yung gamit ko ngayon, optimized na siya. Kumbaga yung setup ko nitong OBS, lahat na yan naka-optimize na. Na it took me a long time to find the parang sweet spot.
Sweet spot, yeah.
As in. Tapos parang looming na yung time na actually kasi nga long overdue na I need to reformat. Parang inaano ko lang, pinopostpone, delay ko lang. Kasi ang hirap. Unlike before, no? Once you simple solution.
Saan mo nilalagay mga password mo?
Sa akin?
Oo. May password manager ka ba? So, kunyari, pag nasira yung PC mo out of nowhere, how do you get your password?
Sa Google?
Right. Okay. Well.
Siguro sa Google.
Okay.
The thing with my password is, sa sobrang dami niyang iterations, hindi ko siya alam.
So basically, cache na lang yung gumagana dyan, hindi na yung password.
So, kasi hindi ko pwede ulitin gamitin yung password eh. So, yun. So, anyway, this was a good talk about
lumayo na.
It's
supposedly,
good.
napag-usapan natin, this is just a quick lang.
It goes to show na eto guys and girls and gals. When we talk, we really click on topics and then parang it just lights up bulb. Diba? Parang tapos kasi ang ganda lang nung ginagawa rin nung Apple kasi actually pag you start with Apple like Mio, maybe I'm gonna try an iPhone. Maybe I'm gonna try an Apple Watch. Maybe ka na sabihin mo na you're gonna justify your spending.
Pag yan, susunod niyan, kunyari naka-Apple ka na tapos sabihin sa'yo ng wife mo, on mo yung yung search, yung para makita kung nasan ka.
Alam mo kung hindi niya gagawin yun, alam mo bakit?
Kasi naka-Android pa siya.
Hindi. Baka nga siya mauna mag-Apple sa akin eh. Kasi
right.
siya. Hindi niya gagawin yun, alam mo bakit? Kasi dito lang ako sa place ko lagi.
Sabagay. Hindi ka nga pala umaalis.
Alam mo ba, last 2 weeks ago, last 1 week and a half, kailangan ko na yung card ko papalitan. Nasabi ko na yata yun kasi
card?
Yung UB, Union Bank.
Right.
Wala talaga, I cannot order it online. They cannot send it to me. I need to go to the
actual... Hindi na pala sila nagsisend?
Pwede sila mag-send ng ibang card, ng ibang account. Pero itong account na to,
hindi
you
pwede.
need to really go there. Yung pinakamalapit sa atin is near Santa Lucia pa. Na which is really a hassle. Kasi...
Layo
diba? Tapos kailangan ko kagad bumalik. So,
wala bang ibang dyan?
That's the closest one.
Wala pa sa Cainta?
Wala na sa Cainta. Hindi, Cainta nga yun. Yun nga yung Cainta.
Hindi, pero Pamarikina yun eh. Cainta on the side ng SM Taytay.
Wala na. Diba dati meron doon? Yung Herrera? Wala na yun. Matagal na wala yun eh. So, sabi ko, I have to go grab na lang. Tapos mamadali ka agad. Kasi I have to be out for 3 hours lang.
Nag-grab ka pa papuntang Santa Lucia? Oh my goodness.
Hindi, kasi kailangan ko nang makabalik within 3 hours.
Magkano ang grab dun?
Tinapat ko naman eh. Saka kasama sa subs ko yun. So, medyo may siguro mga 300.
Balikan o one way?
Papunta.
I see.
Pero maabot yun ng 500. Pero pag kaya tapat ko lang. So,
Right.
okay na. Sabi ko, justifiable naman. So, parang, I called them kasi kailangan mo na tumawag para to make sure na may card pa sila kasi madalas nauubos nga yung card. Walang sumasagot. I have to go na. Pagpunta ko
Don't
doon,
tell me, pagpunta mo doon, wala din.
ha? Ano?
Wala rin nangyari.
Hindi na
Pagpunta
wala
mo doon.
nangyari. Wala na yung bank. Wala na yung bank. As in, pagpunta ko doon, may sign. Ano doon pa yung mga chairs,
Hindi,
ganun.
sa susunod na ano dyan, dapat sa ano ka na lang, sa may Ortigas.
Eh,
May malaking UB doon eh.
I have 3 hours lang. So, hindi ko kaya bumalik doon. Kasi ngayon, iba na yung traffic. So, nakasulat doon, nung Monday pa
Well,
lang,
iba na
lumipat
yung
na
traffic
sila.
din ngayon if you go out.
Ha?
If you go out now, iba na rin yung traffic ngayon. Mas maluwag na.
Medyo nag-a-adapt na yung mga tao eh.
Talaga.
Oo.
Ngayon, Pinoy.
Oh. So, nakita ko doon that they just transferred 2 days prior. Parang,
Right.
what? Tapos
Right.
kumatok ako, may guard. Sabi niya, lumipat na po kami. Saan? Doon sa may junction. Sa may junction? Sabi ko, why? Why did you transfer? Kasi mas maganda daw doon yung... Kasi nga naman, nasa gitna, hindi papasok.
Yeah.
So, nag-commute na lang ako papuntang junction. Tapos, pagpunta ko na doon,
Isang
dude,
sakay na lang yun.
ang ganda ng place. Para siyang
Talaga.
coffee restaurant. Yung upuan
Saan
mga
banda
bilog.
sa
Tapos,
junction?
Saan
banda sa junction?
Sa side na papunta na ng Antipolo. Sa Hilera
Alright.
nun.
Yung dating may bilihan ng mga motor?
Katapat nun. Sa side na
I see.
papuntang Antipolo na.
Oo.
Sasakay ka ng jeep papuntang Antipolo.
Nasa right side.
Right side. So,
I see.
parang siyang lounge as in. Yung upuan niya, hindi kayo nakaharap doon. Yung upuan niya may mga table, sas parang beanbags paikot doon sa table, pabilog-bilog. Sas parang, what? This is UB. Tapos walang counter, yung parang table lang din, tapos susulat mo doon sa tablet, tatawagin ka na lang. Parang ka nag-order, sa lounge ka. As in, parang airport lounge.
Yeah.
So, pagpunta ko doon, as usual, walang card. So, hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin yung card. Anyway. So, yeah. That's it with our segment for the tech. And if you're...
Tingnan ko nga yung mapa kasi kung
closer.
Merong
UB.
Oo.
Malapit. Hindi nga updated yan eh. Tapos,
hindi
naawa
ba
na
updated?
sa akin yung nandoon. Binigyan niya ako ng number. Sabi niya, tawag muna daw ako bago pumunta ulit para mag-ask ko may card na. Sabi ko yun nga eh, walang sumasagot. Kaya binigyan ako ng number. Sabi, ito po, tawag po kayo dito. Sinave pa yung number ko. Natawag ako doon sa number na yun, tapos sinave yung number ko. Para alam nila na ako din tumatawag. Parang, wow, nag-level up tong UB. Kaso ang layo nyo pa rin. Pero, nasa junction na. So, better. Yan. So, I think, if you are interested in our topics with
parang
MacBook Neo.
bago na rin sila kasi I'm looking at it now.
What?
Hindi. Parang hindi pa nag-update ng
Hindi pa nag-update. So, if you're interested with MacBook Neo, do comment down. We'd love to hear comments from anybody who's watching us, especially someone new. Diba? You might have an insight or you might have a question. Either way. Sa dalawa na yon. We are happy to read them. Okay? So, don't worry. We'll still have more tech.
Susunod yung pag may nag-comment, we have
may
nag-comment.
Wow! Ding, 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 ding. First comment of the channel. So, don't worry. We'll have more tech talks with our next podcast. But now, we'll jump on to the main one, supposedly. But we're almost halfway already. But time flies when you're enjoying. So, we're now going to jump over to our next segment, which is all about sports. And this time, it's ball sport, which is the NBA. Ayan. So right now, The NBA is heating up because I think we only have a few weeks left before the
Yeah.
playoff.
Yeah.
And things are getting interesting. Luka injury.
Oo nga. Kanina
Ah.
lang yun. Sabi ko, naku.
Ah.
Nakita ko nga parang ang ganda nga ng laro ng Lakers eh.
Tapos injured. 40-point loss. Anyway,
Oo nga pala, no, tinambakan.
tinambakan. Yan.
ng
So,
0.3.
we're gonna talk about NBA. So, most Filipinos are really into basketball because it's like one of our favorite sports, national sport. And you're fond of the
Pero may
NBA.
mga ano dito, napansin ko yung may mga ibang ano rin dito, mga maano rin sila sa basketball eh. Pero hindi ko lang alam kung paano, how they, siguro ang pinapanood, kasi mostly, well, yung mga Pilipino syempre, of course, ano, they follow. Pero may mga ano din eh, may mga
Fans?
Brits na nanonood din. Pero hindi ko alam kung nakakanood. Definitely hindi sila manonood ng live kasi alas 3 ng madaling araw ang ano dito eh.
Tsaka ano dyan eh, sikat dyan ng Euroleague eh, di ba? Na ano.
Oo. Anyway, yeah.
So, we're gonna talk about NBA teams kasi the question would be kasi the teams and games are heating up. Nalagay tayong title, we'll put it as loyalty versus bandwagon. Ayan. Ay, kasi ano, those are always the topic when you're talking about favorites. Yan, favorites. So, first off, what's your favorite team?
Ano ako eh. Golden State ako since 2014.
Wow. Purok 8? Purok G's na ngayon.
Actually, nung ano yan, nag-start yan nung una ko talagang favorite team nun, ano, yung Washington Bullets.
Oh,
Bullets na sila nun.
wow. That's
Oo, Washington Bullets. Kasi si Chris Webber, favorite player ko nun yun eh. Si Chris Webber. Ano na to after na ng Jordan
era.
Bulls era. Siyempre, Chicago Bulls talaga all time yun. Pero MJ era. Pero yung ano, si Chris Webber pa ay nasa Washington Bullets. Tapos, ano bang sumunod nun? Sumunod nun, ano eh, I wouldn't say Cleveland. I think Cleveland. Kasi nandun pa si LeBron nun eh. But once na umalis si LeBron,
ano tawag doon? The decision.
The decision.
Ba yun?
The decision. Tapos every time na ano nasa Miami na si ano, gusto ko kasi lagi matalo ang Miami noon. So ang favorite team ko noon, ano, San Antonio Spurs. Ano naman to, sina Duncan.
Sila Manu.
Si Manu tsaka si Parker.
Nananalo, 'di ba? Nakaisa sa kanila eh.
Tapos after na nung era ni Duncan, wala na, ano, syempre malakas pa si LeBron noon. Ang umano na nun si ano na, ang Golden State.
Kaya GSW ko na. Kaya ka napunta ng GSW.
GSW.
No, ano, it makes sense.
Favorite team. Para matalo si LeBron.
So from a fan to a
hater.
Because of that, naging GSW fan ka. Okay. So, maganda to kasi nga loyalty versus bandwagon. So, right now you're rooting for GSW.
I wouldn't say na would it be bandwagon kasi gusto ko lang matalo si ano. Kasi usually bandwagon kasi gusto mo lang manalo.
Hindi. Ang bandwagon kasi gusto mo manalo dahil sila yung
but in 2014 hindi pa nag-start manalo ang ano 2015.
Bandwagon yun kasi hindi mo naman talaga sila gusto. Doon ka dahil may ibang reason.
Pero, at least ngayon, kahit na natatalo kami, GSW pa rin.
Nag-transition na from bandwagon. Hindi, from a hater to of a hater of something to a favorite. Yan. So, GSW ka na ngayon. Kasi may ano yan may joke din. Purok 8, ngayon Purok G's. Kasi they're currently at 10. And I don't think they're gonna be moved or they're not gonna go to 11 kasi it's too far na. So, I think
Hindi,
they're
locked in na sila sa ano.
yes, they're a shoe-in na doon sa 10. So,
Yeah.
it's just a matter of gonna
Yeah.
be who's their opponent and like that. So, with that, so yours is GSW and mine, it has something related to what you said earlier. Kasi ano, the same Jordan time Bulls talaga. I remember watching the we hate it when it's a school day kasi it's usually June for championship. But sometimes there are times na walang pasok and then yeah, we can watch that one. Jordan, yeah, Bulls. But yun nga Cleveland same kay LeBron. And kung sa kanya nung nagkaroon na ng decision si LeBron, nag-show away na siya sa opposite side. Ako nag-stay naman. Yan. Pero hindi ako
Cleveland ka pa rin nun?
Hindi ako naging hater. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ako. Ako noon.
Sa Miami ka nun.
Yes. So, ito yung nung lumipat na siya ng Cleveland uli, di ba? Tapos nung lumipat ng Lakers, so Lakers na. So,
so loyal ka sa player.
Yun. So, we will now talk about, are you loyal to a team or loyal to a player? Kasi we are not in the States, diba? So, it could be 50-50. Kasi if you're in the States, it's usually more on the team. Where you are located at.
Yeah, diba? That's true.
Kahit hindi magaling yung team mo, doon ka. Wala Sometimes you go root for them. Ikaw. So, what's your take? Are you a loyal fan of a team or a player?
Siguro ngayon, since 2014, since matagal ko nang finalo ang Golden State. So, parang kabisado ko na yung I think, so kunyari, umalis na kunyari, nag-retire na si Curry. I think I would still follow them. Pero ngayon kasi parang sa ngayon, so syempre lagi kami natatalo. Tsaka hindi na parang maganda pa rin yung mga laban ng GSW. Pero ngayon tinitignan ko, parang pinapanood ko na si Concunapple ng Hornets. Mukhang magandang gel nila ngayon maganda yung mga laruan nila ngayon.
Ganda panoorin.
Maganda panoorin yung nila. Young team, tapos kung nag-gel na sila maganda yung nila. So pinapanood, hindi siya katulad ng pinapanood ko Golden State na talagang religiously na every live pinapanood ko. Pero mga replay pinapanood ko. So back to the question, siguro I would still follow. Kasi kahit nang umalis si Klay Thompson, kapaborito ko si Klay Thompson, tsaka yung mga ibang players ng Golden State, parang sinusubaybayan ko pa rin yung nila, mga laro nila.
Pero for sure, di ka naging fan ni Durant, no?
Hindi actually. No.
Kahit nagbigay ng isang ring yun.
I think pumasok si Durant is sobrang OP.
OP na.
Sobrang OP ng GSW. Kasi, tapos, pick pa ni Curry. Parang napaka-OP.
What if lumipas si Curry?
73-win season. Kaso hindi sila nanalo ng championship.
Yun yung masakit.
Hindi kasi yun din yung sunod-sunod na injury.
Pero if Curry is gonna transfer sa preferred niyang team, would you stay loyal to
May bali-balita na alam mo kung anong team yun? Hornets.
Oh.
Kasi hometown, tsaka nandun yung tatay niya.
Si
Napag-usapan nga nila yun kung kasi ni-retire na yung number
Yung
ni
jersey,
Steph
oh.
Curry. So tinanong kung magpi-play ng last season si Steph sa Hornets, parang last one, parang sabi niya, papayag ka bang gamitin yung number 30? Oo, ibababa namin yung 30, niya. Yung, kasi nga, pag nasa rafters na yung number,
bawal na.
bawal nang gamitin. Pero sabi niya, para kay Steph, ibababa namin yan para magamit niya. Sabi.
So are you gonna follow Steph or you gonna stay with
Oo,
GSW?
Steph is Golden State. Siya, wala. Siya talaga. Siya yung nagano talaga eh.
Paano si Doraemon?
Wala na. Mag-burner na lang siya. Doon na siya cellphone niya.
Pero,
cellphone niya
surprisingly, the only one that's standing, diba?
Hindi maganda parang kinuha nila binitawan nila si Green sa si Dillon Brooks for KD dahil kailangan nila ng closer. Pero parang out of the 10 games ata parang 1 lang yung pinalano nila as close game. So, it's not working out for them.
Kaya, medyo malay-layo pa yan. So, you're gonna follow
It depends
Steph. Pero if
Oh.
Steph is gonna retire with GSW, so you're gonna stay with GSW.
GSW.
Kabisado
ko na rin pati yung mga players yung mga susunod. Kahit yung mga umalis na players.
Kabisado mo na yung anak ni Kerr.
Sino yung anak ni Kerr? Sino yung Podziemski? Wala.
Yung anak ni Kerr.
Nakakainis si Pods eh. Naiinis ako rin.
Parang si
Pag pinaparad ka siya, naman, may laro naman siya. Pero kasi, minsan,
Porzingis.
Kaya nga eh. Yung dalawang naktaas na yung kamay ni Tapos hindi pa rin. May one time na sumigaw na si Kerr na pass the ball.
Why?
Pass the ball.
Why?
Kainis. Si Milton, hindi rin maganda yung laro niya.
Pero ang galing natuwa ako na sa two-way nila.
Si Gui,
big man nila. Grabe.
Yung Brazilian.
Kaso makikita mo na pa rin talaga sila pagdating na sa
Gui Santos. Yun.
Dulo.
Gui Santos. Gui.
So you're going to go with the player. Pero it depends pa rin. Okay.
I mean, I would still go to the team. Kasi katulad yan, visit ako kay Draymond kasi pinagagawa niya at his age. Alam mo yun? Pero stick pa rin. Stick to the team. Alam mo yun?
Alam mo ba, usually si Doraemon kaya tawag ko siya Doraemon kasi pag nanonood ako ng iba mabilis, minsan siya yung first nagsuscore sa first quarter, o kaya siya yung nagpo-first sa tres, gano'n. Parang, kasi yung iba nagbe-bet dun nagbe-bet sila na.
Talaga?
Tapos, may backpack pa siya, gaya-gaya.
May backpack, yeah.
So, yun. Okay. So, for me naman, obviously, I go with the player kasi yung
so, paano yan kung pupunta na kasi hindi nag-opt-in siya ng player option ni LeBron eh. Ay bali-balita, mag-GSW daw.
Go! Kasi aside from doon ako
hindi lang GSW, Clippers ata.
Go pa rin. Pero hindi ako yung katulad ng iba na sobrang fanatic na parang this is the only right and everything is wrong. Parang ganon. No, I'm still fan of the game kaya just like Hornets, I like watching them.
Yeah.
I'm intrigued and intrigued talaga ako sa Detroit ngayon. Hopefully full team sila sa playoff.
Naalala ko.
Diba?
Mukhang hindi ko ano, I'm not saying na Christian, pero may one time nang sinabi ni Kate Cunningham kaya fina-follow ko na siya ngayon. Kasi sabi niya yung lahat ng ano niya, lahat ng skills niya, talents are all from God, which is wow.
Oo. Tapos na-collapse yung lang, no?
Katapos collapse lang like,
Parang,
okay,
pa,
dang it.
parang I wouldn't think that he would or the team would get a big injury given that they play tough and rough, 'di ba? Parang sila yung dating Pistons, yung ano, bad
Hmm.
boys or pero
Well, naging bad boy lang naman kasi si ano si Beef too.
with super talent. Kumbaga parang they are rough pero with ball talaga. Parang hindi yung magaling sila dahil nakaka-injure sila. They're just rough and tough pero magaling
Marami
talaga.
na rin, kinuha nga rin nila yung dalawang white boys eh. Si Duncan tsaka si White Velvet nandun na rin pala. Si ano
Si
to?
Duncan na,
Kevin Herder.
no way I'm gonna participate in that. I'm out of here. Pero yun nga na Detroit, I'm a fan of LeBron pero I'm a fan of the game even more. So I acknowledge talent, I
Yeah.
acknowledge good teams, good play. Kung si
Yeah.
LeBron may magagandang fit, let's go. Kung meron din naman siyang titira sa kanya, meron din talaga. So, I'm not saying, kasi iba no, ang tawag sa kanila, ah,
LeBron sex was.
yun, mga ganon. It's too far naman kasi
Oh yeah.
anything that is extreme is not good.
Yeah.
I just
Oo.
like what
Siyempre, ano
he
pa rin, kung ano pa
adds.
rin ang
Oh,
katulad ng mga ginawa ni kasi ang dami niyang accolades eh. Ano talaga, like,
oh,
that's really incredible for,
yeah. Pero at the same time, he's old. So,
yeah. Pero
parang,
lakas pa rin.
if he's not scoring, okay. Talaga eh. If it's not gonna get an award, okay. Kasi I don't think naman that's what matters to him din naman. Or kung it matters to him, bahala siya. Pero for me, if he transfers, then so be it. May suggestion nga eh. Ang kulit lang talaga ng mga tao. If you're lovable, you are also most hated. Ganun naman talaga eh.
Mm.
That's two sides of the coin as always. Sabi, why not kaya sa last year niya, ano, farewell tour. Kaya
Mm.
farewell tour. So every week, iba-ibang team daw sasali. Nagbibigyan na siya 10-day contract. Farewell tour yung dating. 10-day contract, di ba?
Sa lahat
Sign.
ng teams.
Tapos side, ganun, side ulit, ganun. Kasi yung longevity niya, syempre, hindi rin talaga
Minsan.
matatawaran. Kahit ang taga sabihin ng tao, yung longevity niya, nag-invest siya dun eh. Sa katawan niya rin, sa discipline niya. Tingnan mo si
Yung
Luka, di ba?
fellow, ano nga niya eh, fellow alums niya, lahat nag-ano na. Tulad ni Dwayne Wade, gaano katagal ng 5 years, almost 5 years ang ano
Nagiging
ata.
sportscaster, analyst,
Tapos si LeBron
podcast.
naglalaro pa rin.
Tapos naglalaro na yung anak.
Grabe.
Ganun. Pero ako, I don't think dapat nandun si Bronny. Pero yun nga, I don't think nandun siya.
Yeah.
Because there's more, Pero yun nga,
May
ah,
bali-balita nun na gusto ng Golden State kunin si Bronny. Pero parang out of respect na lang daw kay LeBron.
Piling ko manggugulo lang sila pag si Bronny kasi ano yan? Tandem sa rin ni Pods? ano? Ano yan? Cookies and cream? Dalawa sila na ito favorite anak tapos ito ano isa. Pero kasi masaya naman sila na people will really say something.
Yeah.
Either you do this
Regardless.
or not, ganon. Pero
Yeah.
yun nga, I'm a fan of that. Pero we'll see how it goes. Sana nga ituloy nila yun, no? What if lang, no? around
Ano?
around the team.
Ano?
10
Ano?
days. Nasa Lebron
10
to
days
siya.
lahat. Hindi. I don't think nagagawin nila yun.
Alam mo,
Si Lebron pa, he controls everything.
hindi kumbaga,
Especially with Rich Paul.
hindi kung ano bawa Toronto, papayag
Tama ba?
Toronto.
Rich Paul nga ba yun?
Oh, si Rich
Oo.
Paul. Lebron to, 'di ba? Tas hindi kumbaga
Lebron.
parang you get a chance. You get a chance. Yung City, you get a LeBron for 10 days. You get a LeBron for 10 days. Yung
Lebron.
tas ano, 'di ba? Parang grabe yung promotions nun, yung ticket sales, yung taas ng price, yung tas magbebenta ng memorabilia for that day lang.
May ano daw may bali-balita kasi matagal na niyang sinasabi na gusto niya magkaroon ng sariling team o at least ownership.
Expansion.
Oo. Tapos nung na-mention na ni ano na 'di ba ano bang Seattle tsaka
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas. Tapos biglang hindi na nag-iingay si LeBron kasi mukhang may rival ano daw, may ginagawa daw silang rival na NBA, parang
ng isa
another
pang
rival league.
association. We'll see. Kasi medyo naging muddy yung murky pala yung expansion. Parang eto sasabihin ni sino ba ngayon? Sterling. Si Sterling. Sino ba ngayon?
Tagal na. Adam Silver.
Sterling tuloy. Kasi 'di ba may silver na Sterling? 'Di ba yung may Sterling yung silver na necklace. So sabi ni Silver, ganito na. Biglang ganito na naman. So parang tas ganito na naman. Parang okay. Ano talaga back and forth. So yeah, we'll see. Pero ano yun that would generate lots of money for the team and the NBA. LeBron Tour. Ako, memorabilia na makukuha mo lang sa day na yon. Di ba yung, biro mo naka-LeBron to shirt. Ay, jersey.
Maraming galit kay LeBron.
Oo, pero pag magtutour, di ba? Grabe, parang lang.
Well, kung talagang LeBron, ka?
Kumbaga, if they're thinking of money. Di ba? Anyway, it's just, natutuwa lang ako doon sa mga nilalagay nila doon. So, right now, let's jump to who do you think would proceed? Yung mga talaga, contenders. Sige, contenders na lang. Who do you think are the contenders?
Malakas pa rin ng OKC, pero gusto kong makapasok ang San Antonio.
Pasok naman ng San Antonio na feeling.
Hindi, ibig sabihin,
finals?
Oo.
Sige, ganito na lang.
That means
4
teams, East tsaka West?
Yes.
4 teams ng East, 4 teams o 4 teams?
East, 4 teams East, 4 teams West.
So sa East, syempre, Boston.
Yes, Tatum is back.
Kaya nga
This is still my team. Okay.
Sino bang...
Cavs, Detroit.
Siguro Boston, New York, Cleveland. I'll put in Charlotte there.
Ooh!
Nasa play-in games there. I don't think wag na lang New York. Wag na lang Boston, sige, balikan natin ito pag na. Boston, Detroit, Knicks, tsaka Charlotte.
Wala si wala si Hardens.
Di ako believe kay Harden sa playoff. Tapos nag-pair pa sila ni Mitchell. Si Mitchell, as great as he is, hindi rin siya magaling sa...
Okay. Alam mo ba, may hindi ko alam bakit pero may parang itch lang ako na ayoko ng New York. Dahil kay Bronson, di ko alam bakit.
Ayaw mo kay Bronson?
Di ko alam
Action
bakit eh.
Bronson.
Kasi, ewan ko, dahil dun sa trade na napunta siya dun, parang, dahil sa tatay niya, or
Right.
dahil dun sa ginawa nila kay Linsanity.
Right.
So, anyway, 4 more. Next. Siyempre, OKC.
Hindi ko gusto ang OKC.
Sige, Spurs.
Spurs.
Wala ako
Denver.
Denver, sabi ni. Ano ba team
If,
doon? Ha?
hindi, iniisip ko nga yun. Ilan yun? Sa San Antonio, dalawa pa. Minnesota. Ayoko ng Houston.
Oh. Piling ko ayaw mo rin ng Lakers eh.
Ayoko ng Lakers. Golden
Ano ba?
State. Siyempre, team ko yun eh.
Hindi. Contender.
Contender. I think kaya pa rin ng ano yun. No. Naive. Kung healthy Luka, yes. LA.
Okay. So yun sa'yo. Lalagay ko na to Babalikan natin to kasi wala. Ano na rin
Actually,
naman.
pwede mo, naano ko rin eh. Paborito ko si Luka na nasa Mavs siya.
Tingnan mo.
Paso,
Yun nga yung tawag sa
lumipat siya ng Lakers dahil Lakers yun.
Yun yung example, sinasabi ko kanina, a fan turn into a hater kasi doon sa ginawa.
Dahil nandun na si,
dapat,
siguro kung umalis.
bumalik naman siya ng Lakers redemption. Binigyan niya pa ng championship Okay. Sa akin, Boston, Detroit. Kasi I really would love to see Detroit slug it out. Yun yung term ko
Pag wala si, mahirap pag wala si Cade.
Pero they're still
may chance
kicking.
na bumalik siya. Hindi ko alam kung may chance na bumalik siya.
Detroit, eto sa akin na Charlotte. Tapos thinking ako between Hawks and 76ers. Kasi si Embiid, alam mo yun, parang minsan, parang gusto ko na lang mawala si Embiid doon sa equation para mas maging steady sila. Yung parang
maganda na yung laro ni George eh.
Si Podcast P?
Podcast P.
Na penalize? Podcast P penalize. Suspended kasi siya,
Sabi mo
diba?
may time na babalik si si Cade.
Sige. Ano na lang ako, Hawks na lang ako. Next time ka na lang
Hawks? Ayoko ng Hawks. Although nandun si Kuminga eh.
Hindi kasi grabe yung nila eh. Yung streak nila ngayon eh. Medyo
yeah.
I'm liking their streak. Sige, tanggalin ko na nga lang si Hawks. Ano na nga lang ako. 76ers. Kasi natutuwa ako dito sa nila. Mga bata nila.
Si BJ. Si BJ.
Edgecomb.
Edgecomb.
Grabe yung spring eh. May edge na edge to edge. Spring nung hops nito. So sa akin, Boston, Detroit, Charlotte, 76ers. Tapos, syempre, Lakers. Denver. Nainis ako sa Denver kasi para siyang kryptonite ng Lakers.
Yeah.
Para siyang kryptonite ng Lakers eh. Parang nung nalo nga sila sa Nuggets eh. What? Tapos nanalo talaga ulit. Okay. Spurs. Okay. Gusto ko rin. Kaso, I told you I'm a fan of the game. Yun. So, I give credit to where credit is due. Pero I don't think Wemby is an MVP. I like his, pero tingin ko hindi siya MVP. Gusto ko rin OKC.
I think Wemby yan. I think laki ng
yung passion niya pero
as MVP.
Tingnan mo
Sino bang nasa
si Jokic, si SGA,
check?
na ayoko naman si SGA pero feeling ko si SGA. Kasi getting fouls is an art. Getting
Hindi ko
fouls
si
is an art. Okay, so ang tingin ko sa Spurs, come playoff time, teams would really deal with him or their play. Doon talaga. Ngayon medyo I like his spirit pero I don't think saka I truly wish hindi siya ma-injure. Yun talaga. Kasi napaka-frail ng kanyang frame. Pag na-injure yung paa niyan, yung tipong hindi yung dahil sa bigat niya, yung dahil dun sa impact ng ibang tao.
Yeah.
Kasi syempre, hindi yung disadvantage kapag mas matangkad ka. Yung mga buto ng iba, lalo na pag okay si kalaban nila, o kaya Detroit, feeling ko may matatangkad kay Wemby.
May mahuhulog na.
Hindi katulad ni si Jokic nga, di ba makita mo, sugat-sugat ng ganito, may scars na dito. Di ba?
Si Curry naman, ganun din.
Malaman kasi sila. Si Wemby kasi hindi. At I don't think kailangan pa ni Wemby magkalaman. Pero syempre kasi yung buto niya, iba rin kasi ang niya. So yan. Hopefully, we'll get a good. Basta wag first round exit. I'm happy. Sana bumalik man lang si Luka. Grabe.
Pag nag-ano na ba, sinong kalaban ng Lakers pag nag-ano na?
Kailangan mag-third ng Lakers. Kasi pag third sila, kakalabanin nila yung 6 at kakalabanin nila yung second. Hindi sila mapupunta sa OKC. Kasi pag na OKC kagad sila, mahirap. GG talaga. Okay na yung OKC sa dulo. I would rather face Spurs than OKC. Kasi isa pa yung medyo cheap shot din to minsan si Dort. Si Dort ba yun?
Oo nga.
Si medyo si Dort eh.
Dirty.
Dirty Dort. Tatawagin ko na siya Dirty Dort.
Dirty player to see yan.
Dapat na lang ako no? Mahilig ko magbigay ng mga monikers eh. So, yun. Si Dirty Dort. Yun, dito lang masya. So, we'll see. And, yeah. I guess, that's it for our NBA talks. And, I hope na you got a glimpse of what's our favorite team or how we think about our teams. And, mas lalalim pa to, mas magbabaga pa to once we are headed to the playoffs. Yeah. And especially when we are in the finals. Especially if the teams that we chose are there in the finals. Diba? Malay mo. Malay mo, Charlotte GSW. Walang imposible. Walang imposible. Your $10 could be $1 million. Diba? Yung tipong lahat sila nagkasakit, na-injure, di ba? Yung tipong, alam mo yun, kalahati lang ng team ang pwedeng maglaro. Parang yung nangyari, hindi.
Sa Golden State.
Sa GSW pala.
Nangyayari na ngayon.
Yung isang hand yung kailangan ni free throw kasi injured yung kabila. Kailangan may field in the player. Parang I was thinking is this I don't believe in karma, pero yun lang yung term na balik dun sa ginawa nila kay Kawhi, di ba?
Well, I don't think so kasi natalo rin kami nung sa Toronto
pero
sunod-sunod na injury rin yun
Pero nung year na yun nakapasok sila, di ba?
Nakapasok sa finals na yun Si Kawhi din ang nagpapanalo nun
Ay, hindi. I mean,
I think
nanalo ang GSW nung na-injure nila si Kawhi. Ni
Zaza.
Ni Zaza. Nanalo ang GSW.
Hindi, oo nga. Ang sinasabi ko nga, sige, sabihin na natin karma yun. Pero nung natalo kami ng finals ng Toronto.
Ni Kawhi lang.
Ni Kawhi.
Kung hindi nangyari yun, hindi magkakagulo dun sa magkakagulo sa Spurs. Hindi magkakaroon load management
Yeah,
or talk
that's
to my talk to my
yeah, yeah, yeah.
manager. Doon na
Yes.
nagsimula yun, di ba?
Yeah, sabagay.
Doon
That's
na
true.
rin nagsimula yung load management na rule,
Yeah.
'di ba? Na parang I'm hurt. Yun. Anyway,
Sabagay lahat ng teams nagtatank din eh.
oo. Tsaka nun, ewan ko. Ah, kasi if you're a fan, well, you flew from the Philippines to that place to watch that
Parang
and then they're not
wala.
gonna play. Di ba? Wala lang. Okay lang kung injured, pero if it's not really. Si Embiid nga eh. Oh, they don't want me to play. I guess they don't want me to play. Pero okay naman daw siya. Didn't see if he played.
Eh,
So anyway, that's it. And I hope that you enjoyed our time. Uh,
yes.
we expect more candid talks and lively discussions and passionate inputs. Yun, 'di ba? And I hope that we get more wider audience. If you're enjoying this one, we suggest that you like our video and subscribe na rin and click on the notification bell. So the algorithm would push us through a bigger pond, di ba? And you'll have more audience, di ba? To watch with. Diba? Parang nanonood ng basketball. You enjoy something and if you enjoy something, you want to share it with others na while you're watching something, di ba? Ewan ko, pero ganun yung analogy na lang. Kaya nyo na yun, guys. Okay. So, that is it for our podcast number 2 for the
Yes, sir.
side comment. Again, this is Zion Ecstatic and
Sean from UK.
yes, with the 0.2 ping na. Congratulations. And that's it for
Huh?
us. Take care, everybody. Stay safe, and we'll see you next week. Bye, everybody. See ya.